Hey, what's up guys? Ding from Ding's Workshop here. Recently, I got this JessEm clear-cut stock guide for my table saw. And after reading the instructions, it turns out I have to drill some holes into the fence of my table saw. Now, I'm not a big fan of that idea. So today I'm going to install this stock guide onto my table saw fence without making any alteration to my fence. Let's check it out. So I got two of these mag switches with 150 pounds of holding force, and it also came with a Forstner bit that drills a hole just matching with the size of the mag switch. Okay, so this is right after installation. As you can see, I only used two pieces of the mag switch, 150 pounds each. So those two mag switches working together, they hold down this stock guide on top of my fence really well. And this also gives me the option to remove the stock guide altogether, so that if I were to use other jigs that goes on top of my fence, I still have the option. So there you go guys, I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.